Hey, I hope you're doing so well and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be teaching you today how to create a matte satin finish or a natural dewy glow with your Oxygenetix Foundation. This video took me a very long time to create. I filmed it over the series of a few months, a few different times, kind of testing out how I like to do video, if I like to do voiceovers or talk as I teach. So this video is a compilation of both of those techniques. So although I don't 100% love this video, I'm trying to strive for progress over perfection. If you're anything like me and you're a perfectionist, then you know how painstaking this has been for me. But instead of filming it all over again, I've decided just to put it out there, and you either like it or you don't, but hey, progress over perfection. So I know that, being a first-time YouTuber, first time really putting videos out there of myself speaking, that it's not gonna be perfect at first. So it is what it is. Enjoy, and please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you. Oxygenetix Foundations are liquid foundations with a silky consistency. They're the first and only breathable foundations that promote oxygen in the skin while providing the coverage you desire. You can easily create the look you want, whether you like a dewy or a matte finish, light or full coverage. Before you apply any type of makeup, cleanse your skin. I like using an oil cleanser if I have any makeup on my face already, then I'll use a gentle cleanser afterwards to really clean out my pores. Although Oxygenetix foundations are breathable and non-comedogenic, you should still cleanse any debris or bacteria on your skin before applying your makeup so that you can get all of the skincare benefits. I like to follow with toner to tighten my pores and get any remaining dirtiness off my face. The goal here is to create a natural dewy finish that doesn't look greasy. I'll be showing you how to use the Oxygenating Hydro Matrix with your Oxygenetix Foundation to get this look. If you have dry skin or just want to have a natural dewy look that lasts all day, use the Hydro Matrix to your advantage. Like the name suggests, Hydro Matrix is extremely hydrating with hyaluronic acid and sodium PCA that attract moisture to your skin throughout the day. But it doesn't make your skin greasy like a lot of moisturizers do. One way to take your skin's moisture level to the next level is to apply your Hydro Matrix right when you get out of the shower. The hyaluronic acid will grab moisture from the air and keep your skin beautifully dewy. For light coverage, you can create a tinted moisturizer with a BB cream feel by mixing your oxygenating or acne control foundation with your Hydro Matrix before you put it onto your skin. The ratio you use depends on how much coverage you want. I like to do a 50-50 mix when I don't want a lot of coverage. Use a damp sponge or clean fingertips to lightly dab the mixture onto your skin. Apply your foundation right away before the Hydro Matrix sets onto your skin. I've found that a damp sponge works best for this technique. Whether you put the foundation on your face first or apply it directly with the sponge, use a stippling or dabbing motion for better coverage. You can apply as many layers as you need to, just wait 60 seconds between applications. Don't worry, the foundation won't lose its breathability. For a full coverage application, first you're going to want to put on your Hydro Matrix as your primer, as your base, to hydrate and plump your skin, creating the perfect palette for Oxygenetix Foundation. I use the Oxygenating Acne Control Hydro Matrix. It has 2% salicylic acid, so it is treating my blemishes all day, along with my Acne Control Foundation. So my skin is all cleansed. I just woke up. As you can see, I got my puffy eyes going. Okay, so my hands are clean as well. You can also put on your Hydro Matrix with a sponge if you have extremely sensitive skin or if you have a lot of acne. I'm gonna use my fingertips today. So you're gonna pat, pat, pat. I like to go on my eyes too, on my eyebrows. A lot of dead skin can build up in our brows, so So try to keep them moisturized as well. I don't want that dewy look today, so I want my Hydromatrix to set onto my skin. So I'm gonna wait about 60 seconds. Okay, so you can tell when your Hydromatrix has set when you really just can't feel it on your skin anymore. You don't feel any wetness, you can't even tell that you put it on, you just kind of feel like you're just more moisturized than when you woke up. Today I'm going to be using pearl and ivory. I love to use a combination so that I can have the pearl under my eyes, kind of as my concealer, my blemish hider, all those things. But then I like to use ivory for my all over shade. It has a little bit more pigment. And I have the pearl in the Oxygenetix Foundation, and I have my ivory in the Acne Control Foundation. Sometimes I use Acne Control for both, but today I'm going to use the regular for my under eye. So I like to put just a dab on my hand like this of the pearl. And when you want full coverage, it's a really good idea to place the foundation directly onto your face before you blend it in. So under my eyes, I'll just tap, tap, tap like this. Especially for your concealer, you just want to tap it on and let it sit there so that it can really adhere to your skin. I like to blend under my eyes with a smaller brush. This brush is such a good shape because it really just fits right under there and into my little creases. I'm just gonna tap, 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 tap like this. Over my eye. And you can do this however you'd like. If you use a sponge, it's a really good idea to use a damp sponge so that the product doesn't get into the sponge as much. Sponges can really take hold of that product and a waste product. And then I'm gonna go with my ivory shade. Pew. And since this is my Acne Control, I'm actually gonna use this one for my blemishes. So I'm going right there, there, there. Boom. Same thing, I'm just gonna place this over my skin where I want it. And I'm doing full coverage, remember, so I want it to be all over my face. And I'm gonna use this amazing kabuki brush today. I love using a softer brush for my foundation. If you wanted even more full coverage, then you would just simply wait another 60 seconds for it to set and then do another layer. And you're not going to lose breathability no matter how many layers you put on, which is something that I love about this foundation. You're still not going to feel you have foundation on, but you can get that coverage that you want. So, boom, now I'm going to put the rest of my makeup on. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like button if you got any takeaways from this video, and subscribe if you want to see more videos about color, beauty, wellness. We're going to be doing it all. I'm super stoked. I'll see you next time.